Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into your Computershare account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome in here. So after opening your Google Chrome, what you're going to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing www.computershare.com. So after you've written that, tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Computershare. Here you can see we are on the official page right now and all we have to do is select your country. So after selecting the country, here you can see the login button right here. Simply click on it. So now in here you have to select now if you are individual, business or corporate trust. If you are individual, here you can see different options of individuals. Right now we are going to select the investor center. So click on it. So after clicking on it, here you can see we're on the different site right now. And in here, you can see the login button right here. You can simply just click on it in order to log in. But if you have not registered yourself an account, you can also click on this register now option right here. So click on login and this will take you to the login page of Computershare. So in here, you can see the option of username right here. You can simply just enter your username. But somehow, if you have forgotten your username, you can click on forgot username and then it will show you the process of how to recover it. And in here, you can add in your password. And if you also have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot password and it will lead you to the further process of how to recover your password. And that is it. That is how you can log into your Computershare account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.